Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to one of the most important hard drive management applications. This tool is packed with features that are essential for both IT professionals and home users alike. Whether you're looking to optimize your system performance or safely organize your data, this application offers a complete set of tools to get the job done. While we'll focus on the setup and basics today, I'll be showing you the more advanced, powerful features. We're talking about AOMEI Partition Assistant. Whether you're looking to improve your system's performance or safely organize your data, this application provides you with a complete set of tools to get the job done. Okay, now we'll learn how to get the AOMEI Partition Assistant app from its official download page. All you have to do is click the Download Freeware button, and the download will start immediately. Save it to your preferred location. I've made it easy for you by including the direct link in the video description below. Of course, it's best to download the app from its official website and avoid any other sites. After the download is complete, you will find the executable installation file in your Downloads folder or in the location you selected. Double-click on this file to run the setup wizard. The first thing you will notice is the language selection window. One of the great things about this software is its accessibility. There are many different languages available to choose from. Just pick the language you are most comfortable using for the application interface, and click OK button. A window will appear highlighting some advanced features and offering the paid version. Click the Skip button, and we'll then learn all the details. Simply click the Install Now button to begin the installation process, and you will notice that the installation is very quick, and will only take a few seconds. Once the progress bar is full, a new button will appear that says, Enjoy Now. Click it, and the app will launch immediately. Upon opening the app's interface, you'll notice its sleek, modern design. Everything is logically organized, making navigation incredibly easy. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find the design intuitive and clear, enabling you to find the tools you need without any confusion. Before delving into the features of the application, I want to show you how to activate the full version of the application. While the free version is great, I have a license key that will unlock the complete suite of features for us to explore today. Simply click on the register icon at the top of the interface. A box will appear. Paste the license key, and once you click the register button, the activation process will be processed and completed within seconds, giving you full access to all the application's features. At the end of the video, I will show you the current pricing packages and some of the special discounts available now, should you wish to purchase a license from the official website. As you can see, the application detects every hard disk connected to your computer, regardless of how many you have. In my case, you can see 2 drives listed here, which the application names Disk 0 and Disk 1. Whether you have just one disk, or a whole set of 10 or more, the application will display them all clearly in this list, giving you full control over every partition across your entire system. You'll notice that the application displays the real-time temperature next to each hard disk. This is a crucial feature for monitoring your computer's health. Tracking these temperatures ensures your drives operate within a safe range, preventing overheating that could lead to hardware damage or data loss. Now, let's talk about one of the most common problems users face, a full C drive. This application solves this problem brilliantly, and without any complications. Keep in mind that you cannot move space between 2 physical disks, for example, taking space from Disk 1 to give to Disk 0. However, you can easily redistribute space within the same disk to expand your partitions. To do this, simply right-click on a partition that has extra room, like your D drive, and in this menu you will find several options. Select the Allocate Free Space option. In the pop-up window, you'll see the exact amount of available space. Simply enter the amount of space you want to transfer. For example, select 10 GB to move to Drive C, and then select Drive C from the drop-down menu. Click OK. The great feature is that the application instantly previews the new sizes, even before you confirm the change. Now, if you want to confirm the increase in the size of Drive C, simply click on Apply at the top, then click the Proceed button, and wait until the application finishes this process of increasing the size of C. Of course, you can follow the same steps to increase the size of any partition on your hard drive. If you change your mind or make a mistake, don't worry, you can simply click the undo arrow at the top to go back, but of course before clicking apply. Another critical issue this application handles with ease is managing unallocated space. Often, users discover they have lost or unused space on their hard drive that isn't appearing in Windows. You can simply right-click on the unused space and select the Create Partition option. But what if you want to expand an existing partition? All you have to do is right-click on the partition you want to free up space on, and select the Resize or Move Partition option. In the window that opens, you can actually use your mouse to drag the slider and claim that extra space. You will see the partition size increasing right before your eyes. Once it looks right, click OK. You will see the interface update immediately to show the space added to partition F, just like before. Once you are happy with the layout, click Apply, and then proceed to make it permanent. A quick reminder here, you can use the undo button as much as you want while you are planning, but once you hit proceed, and the application finishes the task, the change is permanent, and cannot be undone through the software. If you decide that instead of expanding an existing drive, you would rather create an entirely new partition from that unused space, the process is just as easy. Simply right-click on the unallocated space, and select the Create Partition option. A window will appear where you can customize your new drive. If you want to use the entire available area, you can leave the settings as they are. Otherwise, you can enter the specific size you want for this new partition. You can also assign a specific drive letter, and choose the file system type that best suits your needs. Click OK, and the new partition will appear in the layout preview. Similarly, click Apply to finish creating it, or use the undo button if you want to change your mind before proceeding. Another great feature for those who want to know exactly what is going on under the hood is the Disk Details view. By selecting a drive and clicking on Properties on the right side, you get a comprehensive breakdown of that specific hardware. The application displays essential information, such as the disk model, serial number, and even the firmware version. It also tracks the health and history of the drive, showing the usage count and total usage time, which is incredibly helpful for checking the lifespan of an older hard drive. You can even see technical data like the disk signature and smart characteristics. There is also a very handy copy icon right at the top. This is perfect if you need to save these details for a technical report, share the specs with a technician, or simply keep a record of your hardware for future upgrades. Having all this data at your fingertips makes troubleshooting and system management much more professional. Now, I want to briefly highlight some of the more advanced features this application offers. We have powerful cloning options. This includes migrating your entire operating system to a new SSD, cloning a full disk, or just cloning a specific partition. And we also have Convert menu. This is essential for modern IT work, allowing you to convert disks between MBR and GPT without data loss, or switch between dynamic and basic disks. You can even convert your file systems between NTFS and FAT32. And the Free Up menu is perfect for maintenance. It includes a PC cleaner for junk files, an app mover to transfer software between drives, and a large file deleter to help you reclaim space quickly. And of course, when disaster strikes, the Recover menu is your best friend. It isn't just about bringing back a deleted file. You can actually restore entire lost partitions or repair boot issues that are preventing your computer from starting up. It's a complete safety net for your data. And if you are planning to sell your computer or just want to start fresh, the Wipe section is essential. It goes far beyond simple deleting by permanently erasing data or even securely wiping an entire SSD to restore its original performance while protecting your privacy. And for those who want to verify their hardware's health, the Test menu offers professional-grade tools. You can run a disk speed test to see exactly how your drives are performing, or perform a surface test to scan for bad sectors before they cause actual data loss. In the Tools menu, you'll find many versatile tools for IT professionals. I'll explain them in detail in a dedicated video. We also have the Virtual Disk feature, a great addition for advanced users and developers. It allows you to create and manage VHD or VHDX files, enabling you to mount virtual drives that function just like physical devices for testing or organized storage management. By going to the official website, as you can see on the screen, they have discounts of up to 80%. Keep in mind that today we've only scratched the surface of what this application can do. I'm already planning a series of upcoming videos where I'll delve into each feature individually. We'll cover everything from full disk cloning and system migration to advanced data recovery and partition management in much more detail. If you enjoyed the video and want to watch those in-depth tutorials, sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of this series. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.